In this tutorial, we are going to discuss the having clause. Having clause is used for filtering groups or to apply the conditions to groups after group by operation. Once we form group and we want to put some condition on those groups, then we use having clause. Let's see by example. This is your employees table and your IDs, names, department ID and salary. This is the syntax for having clause and it is used after the group by. If you see, after this having clause is used. Let's try to understand the first statement. In first statement, you are selecting department ID, then you are calculating average salaries, and this is from your employees table. After that, you are grouping your data based on the department ID. You're gonna group on these IDs, and you are saying having average salary. If you see, you are applying condition on this average salary and you are saying it should be greater than 60,000. Now what will happen? First it will calculate the average salary for this group, let's say 60,000 and 55,000, and the average value, whatever the average value, it will check whether it's greater than 60,000. If it's not, then it will not display. Similarly, it will consider now 102. For 102, it will check. If it's greater than 60,000, then it will display that record with the average salary. For 103, from these three, we will only get the average salary for, I think, 103 and 102. And the value of average salary for 101 department ID, which is less than 60,000, will not get that record. Let's see the results. Okay, this is right. We got department ID 102 and department ID 103 and their average salary, and applying, let's say, AVG salary, and this was condition 60. This was condition. Let me write down this one. 60,000. That's gonna be all. We're going to solve some questions on having clause.